What's up, what's up? I'm Rebuilder Guy, and today I have a double header for you. As you remember, I bought Big Bird over here from Copart. It was flooded. I spent about 300 bucks, but after the rebuild was complete, we took it out to the lake and we hit a wall, as you can see here. Also, the Ducati is complete, ready to rock and roll and hit the streets. But before I show you guys how these two beautiful machines were completed, I have some leftover Armor Shield 9 from Avalon King. It's a ceramic coating that applies to paint, to plastics, to headlights, to wheels, just essentially anything and everything to protect from bugs and dust and all that nastiness. It's a very DIY friendly kit. All you do is wash your bike, wash your jet ski, apply the ceramic coating, and you will be protected for years. Let's see how it's done. First step is simple. Wash your bike or wash your jet ski. The next step is to get them into some shade, dry them, and get them ready for this. With the surfaces cleaned up, you take the Avalon Shield ceramic coating, you put a couple dots, and then you go ham on your bike, up and down, side to side. With the coating applied, let's actually put it to the test. We got a bucket of dirty water. Oh, that's nasty. Look how it's beating off. That's awesome. What about the jet ski? Ugh, look at that. Nothing is sticking. Now let's just wash it off with some water. And that's it. Look at that. So get your kit today, Avalon King. Link is in the description. For 25% off, use code REBUILD25. I'll link everything down below. All right, so now let's get to the repair of this fiberglass on this jet ski. After it took a nice little hit with the concrete barrier, there's not a lot of damage, but as you can see here, it's really soft. So we definitely need to get it done professionally. So I hit up Metal Mike. He apparently knows how to do fiberglass. So let's see how he does it. This is going to be super important for the super boat rebuild. And now the conclusion of the Ducati SuperBike rebuild. We got the fairings painted. They all look super awesome. We used a Subaru white silver metallic paint. It came out really good. We also got some eBay grips. That should work just fine. Mechanic Mark, you ready to do this?
Let's do it.
Where'd you get that shirt, by the way?
Guy.com.
All right.
Large. We should get it small.
No, you look good, man. All right, man. Let's get this done. All right, so the fairings are on. Well, most of them. Gas tank is on. This side fairings are on. Brakes are pumped. Coolant is in. Now we got to fire it up to burp the system. Got to take this cap off. All right. Set that down. Yeah, we gotta get some more coolant in there. Yo. Kill it. What is that? That's leakage. Is that fuel?
Yeah, the hose popped off. I don't know why. I was moving these around, probably that's why. Let's try it again.
Okay, go ahead. Fire it up. Let's get some coolant in there, in the top. Yeah? Yeah? We got flames? Let's see them. No gas. Did it? That's awesome. All right, we gotta go get some more gas now. Well, that sucks. All right. 170. We still need to hear those fans turn on before we put on this cover here. Let's see these flames again. Fans are on. All right. Both are on. Awesome. Okay. 217 and dropping. Good. All right, fans turned on. Awesome. That's perfect. Now we could finish up this side here, and then we'll burp the system here in a little bit after this front end is put on one more time just to be safe. But that's awesome. She spits flames, and she looks awesome. the bike is complete. Now Mark, just send it, boy. Good job, Mark! All right! Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and sharing. I will see you in the next one. Peace!